Yep, there it is. So the National Weather Service, if we go back to Max 2 real quickly, has just issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Newaygo County and Kent County. This is until 11:15 this evening, so still a ways away. This is for a destructive tag, which means winds could approach 80 miles per hour, as we saw in northern Ottawa County, southern Muskegon County, where the strongest winds currently are. Those could continue to move into Kent County and also Newaygo County for that destructive tag with very strong winds. The hail potential with this storm, at least right now, isn't looking too high or too likely at least, but hail could possibly be in size of 3/4 of an inch, which is still at least pretty significant in some ways, but we're not expecting super large hail out of this storm system right now. The big story by far with this storm approaching Kent County and also Newaygo County right now is at least damaging winds, because you can tell that the storm is kind of doing what we call bow out, as the strong winds are quickly moving through Muskegon and also Newaygo. So if we switch over to velocity, you can tell the winds are super strong right now in southern Muskegon County, northern Ottawa County, and that is the wind that we're monitoring heading toward Kent County, especially, and also into portions of Newaygo County. So the worst of the storm right now, wind-wise, is currently impacting Grand Haven right now. That's continuing to move off to the east-northeast. So if I put a quick tracker on that, it's moving at about 55 miles per hour. So you can see in Grand Haven, Muskegon, moving off to the east-northeast. That puts the storm in Wolf Lake right around 9:53, in Allendale shortly after 10 p.m., right around 10:05. Walker, where we are located here at 13 on your side, right around 10:15. Comstock Park, 10:18. And Grattan, right around 10:30, shortly after that. In Greenville, right around 10:40. Sydney, around 10:46, as the storm continues to move off to the east at 55 miles per hour. So with that, brings the highest chance of seeing some damaging wind gusts and also maybe some smaller hail. But overall, the wind gust threat is by far the greatest threat, at least in Muskegon, Ottawa, Kent, and Newaygo counties over the next hour or so.